What? Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Gracie, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make goddess faux locks. So basically I'm just braiding the hair down. The number of braids you're going to do depends on the number of faux locks you have. So she had 40, so we did 40 braids. Now you have to make these braids loose so that the extensions can pass through them. Obviously there are different ways you could start these faux locks, but this is how I'm starting this one for this video. So if you want another method, just leave it in the comment section. I'm going to show you guys how to do other methods. So I'm done braiding it, and now I'm going to be putting the locks. So the direction of the crochet, like I put it up now because I want the hair to lie to that side. So it all depends on where you want it to lie. So if you want it to lay on the other side, you point the crochet downwards or like forward or backwards, like the pin. So basically, yeah, so you just do that and then pass the hair through the hoop of the crochet. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying. I hope the video explains it a little bit more. And then to hide the hair, you put the crochet needle into the extension because it's big enough to go into the extension, and then you pass it through. You're going to do that until you can't see her natural hair. You're going to do that until you can't see her natural hair again. So that's basically what I'm just doing. Now I'm trying to fin. And you have to do the braids small enough that they can enter the extension. So you can't do them too big, if not it will still show, or the extension will be looking bulky inside. So yeah, that's basically what I've done here. I'm going to show you guys again. Now this one is a little bit bigger, obviously, so you're going to see how I would put this size of braid into the extension. So as I said, make the braids loose, like the top of the braids. I would put a circle there, make them loose so that the extension can pass and it won't hurt her scalp. So yeah, I'm just braiding it. Okay, so now I'm going to be passing the crochet pin. This time I pointed the pin to the left because I want the extension to lay on the right. So if you want the extension to lay on the left, you point the crochet pin to the right. If you want the pin to lay to the back, you point the crochet pin to the front. I'll just write that on the screen so that you can understand and then you can practice. But yeah, I'm just passing the extension itself through the hoop and also her hair through the hoop. So after I have done that, try not to make it too tight, but make it tight enough that it doesn't look like it's going to come off. So yeah, so after I've done that, I'm now going to put the pin into the extension, as I said before, to hide her hair. So as you guys notice, this braid I did is bigger than the other one I showed you previously, but it's not too big that it's going to make the extension look bulky. So you're going to see what I'm talking about in a minute. So I've passed it through and I'm going to pull it until you can't see her hair again. As you can see, her hair has disappeared. Like it's like magic basically. So now you're going to put the pin again and you're going to put it through, all the way through to where the hair has come out from. So like as you can see in the video, I put it up to where her hair came out from, so it entered flawlessly again. Like you can't even see anything again. Same thing until you can't see the hair, and you would have a flawless crochet. So yeah, like that, where her natural hair came out from, that's where I put the pin too. Okay, so you guys will just do that and you can practice. You're not going to get this first time. Honestly, I did this 3 times. like with 3 different people's hair before I was able to get this method. So yeah, just practice and you're going to get it. And I'm just rolling it to make it a little bit neater, but it's not really necessary. So yeah, that's it. So this is how it came out. This is the end result. I wasn't able to get pictures for some reason, I don't know why. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and see you guys next time.